I take this opportunity to extend our warm welcome to respectful Bhikkhu Sanghas from Tushitopuri Banavihara, those who are present over here in this temple. The name of this temple, Navajyoti Buddha Vihara. Especially, I thank to Mr. Lokajyoti Thera, Delhi, and most venerable Moitri Sen Bante, and our principal of Tushitopuri Banavihara, those who have contributed and cooperated along with this program. Charity makes people great. Little help to stranded family on the eve of COVID-19 incubation period. Dear friends and my all of presence here, ladies and gentlemen, today we have completed morning session Tushitopuri Banavihara. Here we have distributed 100 number of families, those who are stranded family or needy family. From Bagaisara, 50 families, and adjacent to the Tushitopuri Banavihara, 50 families, altogether 100 families. Before 12 noon, that means in the early morning to noon session, completed one. And after completion of this, now we assemble here to distribute 100 more stranded families to give some essential commodities. Here, that's why we are really grateful to our venerable Bantes for their gracious presence on this occasion of the distribution of relief to the common people, those who are stranded people. That's why I wholeheartedly thank to Mr. Here Venerable Lokajyoti Thera and Moitri Sen Bante and our Sasan Priyo Bante, Venerable Principal of our Tushitopuri Banavihara, near adjacent to 100 Lord Buddha statue making here construction. And here recently our CM Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Devji visited our quarantine center Noble Friends, a body for social service. There was 6 number of persons, those who were in that place, and after completion of 15 days, they have been released. They have been dispersed from this center, and after completion of 15 days, after a few days, also here is entered 3 number of persons. They are still now, and here adjacent to from distance between this Navajyoti Buddha Vihara to Noble Friends only 100 meter. From this Navajyoti Buddha Vihara to our Navinchara Higher Secondary School. In this school, they have come from Delhi day before yesterday. There are 5 number of persons as quarantine center, and our adjacent to Defasara SB school, there are 3, and yesterday also came 4, total number of 7, and home quarantine 2. Altogether 17 number of the here present, and that's why those who are present here, I really thankful to them to provide their contribution. That's why I request to all of you one by one come here to take your food grains or essential commodities from our society like Tushitopuri Banavihara. Then laymen and lay women's disciples, be free from physical suffering, be free from enmity and danger, be free from physical suffering, and may all beings be free from suffering, and also may they are be free from suffering from, I hope, from our Lord Buddha, and I pray to God to for the speedy of the recovery of those who are affected coronavirus diseases. It is very pandemic in this incubation period. We are trying to provide some food materials from the state government, from the central government already given, and also they are still now giving, and from various kinds of the associations also providing to the poor people, to the stranded people. That's why from our Tushitapuri Bonavihara also decided that today to give to the common people 200 number of the here stranded people to provide some food materials. That's why we are giving here. Each family will get 7 kg rice and a soap. So already completed 100. Now we will ready to provide their materials. Thank you to all those who are present here. Thank you so much.